In this video, you'll learn how to edit a prompt in PromptROI. First, click Prompt to visit the dashboard and search for the prompt you want to edit. Then click the pencil icon at the bottom of the prompt card. Now you can edit the prompt title and description in step 1 of the prompt creation process. When done, click the next arrow to move to step 2. Edit your search engine title and description, then move on to step 3. Here in step 3 you have many edits you can make. Things like the type of prompt, the marketplace you want to put it on, as well as the price. When done, move to step 4. Here in step 4 is where you can tweak your actual prompt. Make your edits to the prompt and move to step 5. In step 5 you can change the variable name as it appears to your end user. You can also edit the tooltip that describes what should be entered in. Now it's time to test the prompt before publishing it. This particular prompt is for image generation, and it takes an emoji and turns it into a felt textured image. So enter the test data and click submit. And boom! The results show up on the right. If I think it looks good and do not want to iterate my prompt any longer, simply click Publish Prompt in the upper right corner and your prompt will go live. And there you have it. How to edit your prompt inside PromptROI.